Hi, good morning, everyone. So today we'll be looking into my assignment 3 of the VCC subject. So in this assignment, what we will be doing is we'll be auto scaling our local virtual machine to a public cloud, that is GCP, Google Cloud Platform. And what we will be doing is our primary objective is to, whenever my VM's stress uh, increased up to 75%, I want my virtual machine to automatically scale with the help of Google Cloud Virtual Machine. So for this very step, right? So this very step, my first step is to go on my GCP platform under IAM and admin. I will go to a tab called service account. And under this service account, I have already created my service account right now. So this is my service account. For this service account, I have a key in place. This key I'll be using to connect to my virtual machine, Google Cloud CLI. And under this service account as well, I have given the following permissions. As you can see, I have given an owner permission as well as service account admin permission. So what this does is it will help me to access the VM instances from my Linux operating system. So my next step is to go on my VirtualBox. So this is my VirtualBox. I'm logging inside VirtualBox. So here, right? So here, what I will be doing is first my very first step is to create a GCP connection between my virtual machine and the GCP console. For that, I have a list of following commands which I'll be using. These are the list of my following commands. So what this command will help me do is it will help me set up a transport HTTPS along with the CA certificates. And then what I'll be doing is I'll be hitting the GCP package along with the GPG dearmor extension. And I will try to access the hidden vault with the key value pair. And once this is done, I will try to ping my Google platform and check if the Google SDK is already present in my list or not. And if it is present, then I'm all set and I can directly install my Google Cloud CLI. So for this experiment purpose, right, I have already installed my Google Cloud CLI. So for that, I can just maybe uh, show you the version that I have. Google Cloud, if I type GCD Cloud version. So these are already present. So this is a list, as I said, right? Uh, if I go to this following command. So as I said, I already have a list, Google Cloud SDK list. So this list is coming from this. These are the set of list commands that I have. So Google Cloud, these are the versions that I have for the Google Cloud. Okay. So once this is done, what I'll be doing is I'll be creating a directory. In this directory, what I have is, so in this directory, what I have is I have my key that I downloaded, the key that I downloaded from my virtual machine. I have this key downloaded in form of JSON. If I try to open this, it looks like this JSON key. Also, I have, sorry, also I have my script. So what this script does, right? So I have my set of configuration mentioned here. I'll want to create my GCP zone in this zone. My GCP user should be this. My threshold should be 75, the name, the directory, the port, everything I have mentioned. The only thing I have changed here is the name of my file, where my GCP key is present, along with my project ID. This is the project ID that I created. And rest what it does is it try to set up a connection. If first so the basic step is first it will go and check for the 75% memory usage. If my virtual machine is setting up a 75% memory usage, in that case what I'll be doing is I'll be looking up into my GCP console, and I'll try ask the GCP machine to scale up. And for this, we need some kind of a pinging mechanism. So for this pinging mechanism, we'll be using this script here. So as soon as it scales more than 75%, right? So in that case, I'll be opening up my virtual machine. So the next first step is what I'll be doing is I'll be setting up stress, 75% stress. So here it is. So what this will do is it will set up my stress to it will increase my stress to 75%, more than 75%. And as soon as it does that, my GCP machine will start getting loaded. So I'll trigger this. So once it started triggered, what I'll do is I'll go here and I will uh, call my GCP autoscale.sh, the autoscale.sh script file. So once this is done, let's wait for the script to start. It will take some time. It will ask for some of the permissions that we need to give him. Yeah. So as soon as I hit this command, right? So you can see here my CPU usage alert. It already gave me that CPU usage alert is 100%. So in that case, what it will do is if I open my GCP console, right? If I go to my VM instances, if I go to my VM instances, in this instance, you can see my VM instance got started. And yeah, I guess we are all done. So basically what happened is as soon as my virtual box hit 75% mark, as soon as my virtual machine hit 75% mark, for this specific key value pair, it will create a virtual machine for this specific project. So yeah, that's all from my end. Thank you.